Today's Good Health is brought to you by Sullivan County Community Hospital. Well, Sullivan County Community Hospital is growing and expanding. Last week, we introduced you to Dr. Anthony. This week, we're happy to introduce you to Dr. Paul Nosa-Oviasu, a new primary care physician at the hospital. Since July, the new health annex on the Sullivan County Community Hospital's campus has been open. It's home for pain management, ortho, podiatry, lab and radiology, and family practice. One of the new family practice physicians is Dr. Paul Nosa-Oviasu.
One of the things that attracted me to the place was the rural setting, the community setting of Sullivan. Another thing that attracted me to Sullivan was the hospital itself. When I interviewed with the CEO of the hospital, she laid out a vision about the clinic she wanted to build, the primary care setting she had in mind. The vision she laid out to me was something that I saw myself a part of. And most people would like to be in a place where they feel they're going to be able to grow and make an impact.
We've really been on a mission to continue to grow the services and to continue to recruit and be able to provide our community with really almost all the resources that they need.
Dr. Nosa-Oviasu trained in family medicine and feels primary care physicians serve a vital role in any person's health care journey.
Being that first point of contact, I felt that I would be in a better position to manage the way patients interact with healthcare. So in family medicine, you're there to see the whole picture before you decide to narrow into the specifics of where you think you needed to treat that abnormality in the patient.
The doctor was a pharmacist before going to medical school.
I was a practicing pharmacist in the United States for about 10 years before I went to medical school. I do get these questions a lot. Why did I decide to go into medicine? I think with pharmacy, I started to see a lot of limitations in terms of how much impact I could have in patients' overall healthcare outcome. And I realized that for me to be able to have a deeper impact in terms of how patients are treated, medicine was the ultimate profession that was going to answer that question.
His philosophy is to create honest dialogue and build trust.
It's always good to tell them the truth. So I look at my patients straight in the face and tell them that this condition, this is the outcome of this condition. If you don't address it now, you're going to hit it down the road in a more severe form. One of the things I know they're going to get from me is they're going to see a very honest doctor who tells them the way it is. They're also going to see a compassionate doctor who's willing to go that extra mile to make sure that they are living healthy.
Sullivan County Community Hospital's Health Annex is located at 2120 North Section Street. You can learn more by calling the number on your screen. You can also visit anytime online at SCCH.health. Well, still to come on Good Day Live today, marking the 24th anniversary of the attacks on September 11th. We're going to share stories about how people are giving back in remembrance.
At Thrive With Century.